Hello and welcome to Cooking with Natasha. I am Natasha. Today, we are going to make the Candace salad. I discovered a fresh salad recipe reading Candace Bushnell's 2015 self-referential novel called Killing Monica, as in Killing Carrie. The heroine named Pandy, who is a writer, has a snack at a Palm Beach mansion. Quote, "The lunch consisted of 3 small courses: a salad of radish and orange slices sprinkled with chive, a ceviche of lobster and shrimp, followed by an espresso, which Pandy refused, and a crème brulee, which she did not." Quote closed. Was it a coincidence that I love radishes? It was a sign. I decided to try. I sliced segments of a casa orange and a few radishes, cut up chives, plus a teaspoon of grapeseed oil and a dash of salt. An exquisite combination of ingredients. And I wondered, did any other bookworm reading this book dash to the grocery store to make the salad? Or was it just me? Thank you, Candace. Thank you for watching Cooking with Natasha.